shadows deep, I search the night for peace that's shining pure and bright. In every heartache, every tear, His grace brings calm and quiet near. Like a deer for water pines my soul, in longing, seeking to be whole. The streams of mercy, clear as day, guide me gently on my way. His love like a river flows to me. In every storm He sets me free. A whisper in the darkest hour, His peace, it blooms just like a flower. When waves crash down and skies grow gray, I lift my eyes, His light will stay. In every trial, in every pain, His comfort washes like the rain. From depths of sorrow He will raise my soul to heights of endless praise. His truth, my anchor in the strife. His peace, a song throughout my life. His love like a river flows to me. In every storm He sets me